That is so cool. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
cool.
is it shovel?
Oh, the shovel. That is so cool. Wow, I love it. I love that. I'm gonna make some art out of that. My name is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be metal detecting our dirt floor room in our basement. It's we live in a Victorian 122-year-old house, at least when I'm recording this. It was built in 1900 and there's one room left in our basement that is just completely dirt floor. It's very creepy down there, very gross in that little room. We don't use it for anything, and so I just thought, how fun. I got a metal detector for Christmas, and let's just see if we can find anything cool down there. I was going to do this intro down there, but it is scary and I don't want to talk loud down there because I'm freaked out. So anyways, I'm braving it for you guys and for me because I'm hoping to find some really cool treasures. And also we are metal detecting our backyard. So if you guys don't know, if you're new here, we have this hill here in our backyard. If you can see, it's just like a gradual slope. And my husband is a landscaper, so when he started to dig in with the skid steer into that hill, it was just filled with old vintage and antique bottles and really cool old treasures that we've been finding over the past like 10 years. I have shared some of those like bottles and things that we found in other videos of mine, but I am just gonna kind of metal detect with my kids. They're gonna be, you'll hear them in the video too if you're wondering who that is. And then I'll just be kind of sharing everything at the end what we found. So it's gonna be fun, I'm excited, and let's go treasure hunting. All right, we're finally in here. The dirt floor basement room. I'm gonna try metal detecting. I might not find anything. I'm also metal detecting out in the yard, so I'll be sharing lots of cool finds that we found out there, and also things that aren't metal, like glass bottles. We've got a lot of really old stuff like that in here. But if you guys want to see this room, I will show you. It's very, very tiny and very spidery. But then it goes out here into like the other main part of the basement. This is the only dirt room floor. Ceiling is right there in this room. This is the creepy dirt floor basement room.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
That is the appropriate sound effect. Pretty sure that these doors are original, which is really cool. And then back here, like I forgot this was even back here because we don't ever go in here. But look at this door. And it's like a secret closet. Do we dare go in the secret closet? I've been reading too much Berenstain Bears' Spooky Old Tree.
Yes, we do dare go.
Yes, we dare. There's the little closet room. It's got an old shelf in there and a bunch of random wood and windows and doors. Someday we gotta get all this stuff out of here. It'd be really fun to see what kind of cool old stuff is in there.
And we want a metal detector.
Yes, let's do it.
And some reason the thing is very loud.
It is very loud, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna jump when we start metal detecting. Definitely
It can be like,
really gross.
that's a bone. This bone we just found.
Disgusting. Let's get to metal detecting.
And somehow this place is still standing after.
Uh-oh, there's something. Are we gonna have to dig?
Yeah.
Or is it maybe just the nail?
Is it this?
Is it that wire? Oh my gosh, it's so loud.
There should be a lot of metal here.
I hope we find money or jewelry or a giant amount of treasure, buried treasure from 1900.
I don't think we'll find like any gold or something.
Probably not. It's in there. We moved it. What's this? Cool. Is it an old nail? I bet it's that. Here, let's hold it. Yep.
This
What
looks
is that?
kind of like a
Why is
bone.
it shaped like that? Let's show Dad. That looks like a bone, but it is a huge piece of metal. What do you think it is?
What I just squished was a bone.
Weird.
Off this. This thingy looks like a chicken rib.
Is the part of a metal chicken? It might be a nail. A big one. It's wiggly.
It's so wiggly.
Is it stuck to something? Probably a coffin.
We've done it.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it's very rusty. Let me see, is it a square
Dad
head?
should get me.
No. Oh
Dad
yeah, it
should
is. Look at the
get-
side of it. I think.
Dad should get that acid that makes.
Oh yeah, try to
stuff
clean
on
it. Where is it?
I found it. I
Um,
think.
no, that just looks like a piece of wall. Something
Well,
over
I almost
here.
dropped you. Because you have your.
Ew, it's so disgusting. Come on, money. Show us something cool, honey. It's another nail. What's that? It's an old doorknob. That's cool.
I saw that out of the corner of my eye.
Good find.
Where's the metal?
So hard.
You just
I
found
think you
it.
just found
Wait!
it. It's something
No
big.
way, what is that? That is huge!
Whoa!
Oh my
A
god!
baseball bat! Is that what it is?
Piece of
No.
iron.
Cool.
Oh my gosh, it's huge.
That's why it was so big. All right, now dig. Okay. What is it?
This must be from like a.
Random metal.
Yeah.
This must be.
Just found a metal car or truck door. We just found this really cool old nail. I'm trying to see if it's a square head nail because we have those in our house. That's a cool one. Something really big is over here.
Oh, that was just it. Let's check.
It's still over here?
Yeah.
What is it?
Look at this.
Rocks have Mom, where do you think metal comes from? Rocks.
Maybe it's just huge rocks under there then.
Like,
They used to burn their garbage, so I was like,
Look
is
here,
it like
this
a
is
melted
rusted.
chunk of something?
Right, oh wait.
It's something.
This is
Oh
something.
my gosh, is it an axe head?
Oh.
What
that
is it?
might be.
That is totally
There
an
is
axe
something
head.
inside of it. And I didn't know
That
what
is
it
totally an axe head. The bottom
Here,
of
just wait, be
it
careful.
is shaped like one.
What's up? This is melted crap. That's wrong. Trip, don't you dig? You don't dig in there. There's glass.
You moved it. Oh, is this right here?
Oh.
What is it?
Oh,
it's
weird.
a huge like nail or something.
Yeah.
Cool.
We have one of those in the. Is it this? No.
It had to have been dug up and in the mess because it was here and now it's over there. Whatever it is.
Mom, check me again.
Okay. Oh, did it move again now? Let's see. There, you moved it again.
Is it in this?
It must be. Nope. Right there. It's in there somewhere. We found
Wait,
this.
is that it?
What is it? It has this little thing on
It's
the
like a
side.
pen.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's flattened.
It's metal. I know that.
We found another square head nail.
I hope
It's huge.
It's so chunky.
love it. So cute.
It's a girl.
It might
You
be
know.
pregnant. But it is like fall, so I don't know. Do toads get chunky when it's gonna be getting cold, like for hibernation? I bet they do. Oh, poor baby.
Oh,
Where should we set it free? Somewhere safe, like
so
maybe put it in the flower
cute.
garden. I wonder what that is. That looks scary. That is so cool. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
cool.
is this-
Oh, the shovel. That
I
is
think
so
so.
cool. It's like a skeleton key thing or something. Wow, I love it. I love that.
That
I'm
is
gonna
awesome.
make some art out of that. We just found a glass canning lid. I'm pretty sure it's milk glass. I'm gonna go wash it off. And also this one that's metal, and I think they're really old. This is the haul for this video anyways. We've got this weird, I don't know, thing with, I'm assuming these were springs probably. I'm not sure what like anything is, guys. If you know what something is, definitely comment below. We found a bunch of nails, of course. It's like the most common theme here. The really cool things we found, in my opinion, is this. Does anyone know what this is? I'm going to try to Google it, and if I can figure it out, I am going to comment that or insert a picture here. But it's got this little sliding piece. So do you think this has to do with like tobacco or something? And then of course this was a fun find. I don't know if this was like really old or just something of my son's. Honestly, I have no idea. Some big screws, and of course my favorite find of everything was this adorable skeleton key piece. I absolutely love this. I'm definitely saving that. And then this is the stuff from the basement. Well, not this. This was from the yard too. But in the basement, this thing was like the big weird shaped chicken bone, we were calling it. And when we tried to clean the dirt off it, it literally is so rusty that it just completely crumbled apart. Lots of just nails and little rusty bits. And it was so hard to find stuff down there because the ground is really hard in most of the basement room. But this was my favorite thing that we found, of course. Very cool. It's like an old wooden doorknob. Very rusty as well. This little piece of metal and this huge pipe and that thing, whatever that big metal piece is.
This is part of this because these are two parts
Yeah,
of an old
maybe.
bed.
Could be. We definitely were finding some bed springs in here when we first moved in. Getting more things we found, but this is, I'm pretty sure, a mason jar cap, and then this one. This is also one of my most favorite things that we found. It's a porcelain mason jar cap, and the brand is Boyd's Cap for Mason Jar Genuine. So it looks like there's still something nasty on that side of it, even though I try to wash it off. What is that too? I don't know.
Found it just right here.
Yeah, actually, I'm not sure what that is.
Oh, and here's
Actually, is that like part of a drill? I'm not sure. Alright, well that will be all for today's video. I guess I hope you guys enjoyed the treasure hunt with us. Sorry you can't see my face. The sun is so bright. It's so warm out here today in Minnesota, and it's been so cold recently, so it feels so good to finally have the sun back for a couple more days. It's already snowed here as well, so it's freezing and there won't be much more yard digging. I could basement dig this winter, possibly, if the ground isn't frozen in the house. I'm not sure. Do dirt floor basements freeze? I have no idea. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you like this kind of video, and we will definitely do some more treasure hunting videos in the future if you guys would like to see that. And I'm sure there will be lots more stuff unearthing after the snow and frost is gone and all of the little pieces are wiggling their way back out of the earth like they do every spring. So anyways, I'm glad you guys are here. Sorry it took so long to get this video up. I've been like dreading going in the basement, to be honest. But my husband has been working down there today, and he is building, he's building a wall and putting in a new window and closing off our old cellar doors, which I'm so happy about because they were broken and scary. So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling, but I hope you guys are having a happy fall and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You bye.